Hey everyone! Welcome to another quick and useful grammar lesson. Today we're mastering two very important tenses in English: present simple and present continuous. This video is perfect for anyone who's not quite sure how to use these two tenses, feels confused about the difference, or just wants to clear things up and feel more confident. We'll go through how to use them, when to use them, the key differences, and we'll do a bit of practice at the end. Let's jump in. Let's start with a quick example. I work in an office. I'm working on a project. Both are present tense, but they don't mean the same thing. The present simple is used for facts, habits, general truths. It's the go-to tense for things that are regular, true, or just part of life. Here are the main uses of present simple: daily routines, facts and general truths, scheduled events, and states. That's your present simple toolbox. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. That's a daily routine. Use present simple. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. That's a scientific fact. Definitely use present simple. She plays tennis on Saturdays. It's a habit, a repeated action. So again, use present simple. Let's talk about affirmative structure. Subject plus verb. I, you, we, they work. He, she, it works. Just remember to add S for he, she, and it. Now let's look at the negative form. Subject plus don't or doesn't plus verb. I, you, we, they don't work. He, she, it doesn't work. And for questions, do or does plus subject plus verb. Do I, you, we, they work? Does he, she, it work? It's easy, isn't it? Common time expressions for the present simple: always, usually, sometimes, rarely, every day, every month, every year. These are classic present simple signals. The sun rises in the east. She reads books every evening. Both are examples of habits or general truths, so the present simple is the right tense. Now let's move on to the present continuous. We use present continuous for actions happening now, temporary situations, future arrangements, annoying habits with always. It's all about what's going on right now, or just for a while. I am studying English right now. You're doing it right now. It's a real-time example. She is working on a new project this week. Not forever, just this week. That's temporary. We are meeting tomorrow at 5 p.m. Yes, we can use present continuous for future plans too. He is always leaving dirty dishes. Using always here shows it's something he does repeatedly, and it's likely annoying. Here's how we form the affirmative sentence. I am working. You, we, they are working. He, she, it is working. Negative form in present continuous. Subject plus am is are plus not plus verb in ing form. Examples. I'm not working. You, we, they aren't working. He, she, it isn't working. Simple and clear, right? Now let's take a look at how to make questions. Am, is, are, plus subject plus verb in ing form. Am I working? Are you working? Is she working? Here are some common time expressions used with the present continuous. At the moment, now, currently, today, this week, this month, this year. These words often tell us to use the present continuous. Here are some examples. They are watching a movie right now. She is learning to play the guitar this month. Both situations are temporary and happening now, or over a short period of time. Let's compare the two. Present simple is used for things that are regular, repeated, or permanent. Present continuous is used for things that are temporary or happening right now. Nice and simple. He works in a bank. He is working on a report. She plays tennis. She is playing tennis now. Can you see the contrast there? You can clearly see the difference between something that happens regularly and something that's happening right now. Quiz time. Which option is correct? The correct answer is, she is running very fast. Why? Because it's happening right now. Make the sentence, I work here, negative. The correct answer is, I don't work here. Now let's spot the mistake. I am going to school every day is wrong because the present continuous is used for actions happening now or around now, not for regular habits. I go to school every day is correct because the present simple is used for habits and routines. Final comparison. Use present simple for habits, facts, and things that are permanent. Use present continuous for things happening right now, temporary situations, and plans for the near future. If you're still watching, amazing work! You've just covered two of the most important tenses in English grammar. Now it's your turn. What's something you do every day? And what's something you're doing just this week? Write your answers in the comments. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Share it with your friends, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.